Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are making crispy pork belly. I poached this pork belly for 10 minutes in hot water. And I used the first half for the megan kolo. And this one we're going to make crispy pork belly. So first you pat dry. And then I use a fork to poke into the skin to make a punch a little hole like that. You rub into the baking soda, like that, and some kosher salt. Just go like that. And the baking soda will help the skin to be crispy, dry and hard, and salt too. I think this is good enough, and we set it on a plate. And I usually put in the cooler for like maybe half day or 1 day. Make sure they're nice and cold before we put into the oven. Now I'm gonna add some five spice, some kosher salt, and then at the bottom I'm gonna add some kosher salt and five spice too as well. I just put it on the plate and then just rub it against the meat. So I just place it on my cooling rack and tray. I preheat my oven to 420. We're gonna cook this for, I would say, half hour, and until the skin is nice and crispy and golden brown. So after half hour, I'm just gonna brush some honey on the skin and then on the meat, like that. Give them a little sweetness, and now we're gonna bring it back to the oven to probably cook for another 20 minutes. Here's your crispy pork belly. When they're done, you just let them rest for a few minutes until they cool off a little bit before you can cut it. And you can use any kind of favorite dipping sauce. I just use some the 酱油膏, like soy sauce glaze with some hot chili oil. Simple. Please check out my Facebook at Fortune Cooking. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. Bye.